Hey folks, back on the Icon of the Seas, and because this is a preview sailing, the specialty restaurants are not open for us. However, they're allowing us to do a tasting. So we're gonna go through a whole bunch of restaurants real quick, starting with Hooked Seafood. This is actually one of our favorite restaurants from the Symphony of the Seas. I am gonna try the lobster roll. These are just little sample pieces. This is not necessarily what you're going to get when you order these. That's a really good lobster salad. Really good lobster salad. Here's a little sample of their fish sandwich. This is like a lot of bun. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and eat it like that, open faced. Not bad. And then we have a scallop dish right here. Again, it's just a tasting menu. This is not the actual meal you're gonna get, but a little scallop dish. That is really good. What is that? He said it's just scallop. It's really good. Stephanie, I've got shrimp cocktail. And then we've got a coconut shrimp, I think you said it was. Shrimp cocktail with a bunch of lettuce on it. Delicious. And I want to say he said this was coconut shrimp. Oh yeah. The last item for the tasting for me is going to be the chicken satay. Pretty good, but I mean, you're coming to Hooked Seafood, so have the seafood. The seafood's amazing. This is good if you're not a seafood eater and you want to join the rest of your party here. Chicken satay or some of the other meat dishes. Next up on the tour is Giovanni's. There is so much good looking food over there in Giovanni's. I could just stop the whole tour right here if I wanted to. Yes, I'm blue. We're in the Royal Promenade. That's the lighting that's going on above us. Arancini. Oh, I love arancini so much. This is a fried rice ball. Not bad. Could use a little more flavor, like some more cheese or something in it. The sauce is nice though. Oh, it tastes like truffles to Rebecca. This is fried lasagna. Here, I'm gonna show it. This is fried lasagna. They gave me a little spoon. I really don't know how I'm supposed to eat this with a little spoon. I'm just gonna pick it up. That's the only thing I can pick up. This is pretty good. Now again, we're not getting it the hottest right now because, you know, the whole sample thing, but I bet fried lasagna, oh my God, I would totally go for this. Fried calamari. Man, that's a big calamari. Kind of bland. Not the best fried calamari. And a little bitty stromboli. Again, these are sample size. This is not what you're actually gonna get if you order it at the restaurant. Oh, that has nice flavor. And my last item at Giovanni's is going to be their little caprese salad. I'll tell you what, the oil they use on that, it's actually lovely. Really good. That's a really nice oil, nice spices. The Giovanni's Italian Kitchen is on deck 6 of the Icon of the Seas, directly across from the Pearl. I'm staring right at the darn thing. A new addition on the Icon of the Seas is Pier 7 back here in Surfside. It's backed by the splash pad. It is a California surfing kind of menu is what they just said. So this is a chicken lettuce wrap. Yummo. Keep in mind, remember these are all just tastings. This is not exactly what you're gonna get. Some ahi tuna is next. Something underneath this is vibrating like crazy. I have a vibrating chair right now. There's something underneath this. Oh, I know what it is. It's the Absolute Zero. They really love their bass in Absolute Zero. Let me tell you, that ice show, oh, it shakes the place. All right, but back to our main event. Ahi tuna. Not bad, not the best. Not bad. Next, a shrimp tostada. Not bad, it's okay. Then a crostini. So a toast with some cheese and some tomatoes on top. Woo! That was a really nice vibration from the ice show. Woo! We're getting a little vibration going on. That's my favorite thing of all of these that I've eaten. Pier 7, you're hanging out here with Splash Pad. You want to get something other than just the normal little bites. Come on over here and get some California. I would give it, it's not bad. Next up on the tasting menu is Izumi, and I know I've got a salmon roll, I've got a tuna roll, but I've got 3 rolls here from Izumi. Izumi is one of my favorite sushi and hibachi places on all of the cruise ships. I think they do a great job. So let's have roll number 1. It's really good. I wish I had some soy, I should have grabbed some soy sauce. Roll number 2, this might be the salmon. Really good. That was the spicy tuna roll for sure. There's just a little bit of spice in there, not a whole lot, just a little bit of spice. And then roll number 3. 3 really good rolls from Izumi. Izumi is living up to its reputation. Remember, now it's in Central Park. So you've got Izumi in the park that you can just walk up and get some sushi any time of the day. In addition to Izumi, the restaurant. Next up, a brand new venue here on the Icon of the Seas. It's the Empire Supper Club. I really wish this was open. I would totally do it. I want to say this was around $199 per person, something like that. It's a very exclusive, small venue with piano and everything. This is rabbit. Nobody else on the tour has had rabbit. Bugs Bunny tastes good. Who knew? I think this is a potato. A really good potato. Holy crap, this is really good. And the second item I have is sea bass. It's really hard to make samples that are really flavorful, like to represent the actual dish. Empire Supper Club really did. Empire Supper Club, brand new venue, small venue up here in front of the ship. We're on deck gate. We're right in front of Central Park. Oh my goodness, if these samples represent what the real menu is going to be, holy cow. All right, so we're up here at Basecamp. Basecamp is up here by the water slide by Thrill Island. And there are a few things on there that you can get included, but they also have premium bites that are extra money, and I got one of the premium bites. This is crispy chicken bao buns. Shrimp. Take two. This is crispy shrimp bao bun, because, you know, shrimp, chicken, they're the same thing. It's chicken of the sea. Let's see. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, two of these are $8. I mean, I might do it one time. One of my colleagues got the chicken and waffles, and apparently the chicken is inside the waffles. Chicken and waffles, big thing in the South, you know, especially in Atlanta. And now syrup. I'm not sure what I think of this. This is interesting. Chicken and waffle nuggets are $7. I don't know. I don't really know what to say. They're interesting. Hey folks, I think my favorite new food venue on the Icon of the Seas is the AquaDome Market. So there's 5 food stations in here. We got crepes, we got ginger, which is Asian. We've got mac, which is mac and cheese. We've got toast and garden, which is your salad, things like that, and feta, which is the Mediterranean. So I had a great little Greek salad the other day from feta, absolutely amazing. Rebecca, what are you doing? Rebecca's saying it's the Greek stuff. It's okay. She's saying that the falafels are really dried out. I had the chicken the other day, and it was actually really good. I had a really nice salad. I went with ginger today, so I've got some little spring rolls. And then I've got a mix of their ginger beef, and I can't remember what all, chicken and snow peas. And you can get it with rice or noodles. I got it with some rice underneath. Ooh, she gave me 2 of the spring rolls. Piece of chicken. That's actually really good. Yum. I am liking that. The beef. I've got the beef here. I think it's ginger beef. Oh, that's tasty. And one of the signature things here in the AquaDome are the crepes. So I got the salted caramel crepe. Not bad, not bad. So the AquaDome Market here on the Icon of the Seas, it's included with your cruise fare. I think it's pretty good. Rebecca's kind of, you know, half and half on this place, but I think it's a great addition to the Royal Caribbean lineup.
Wash it, baby. Wash it, baby. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Come on, come on, come on. Wash it, baby. Wash it all out. Wash it all out. Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
All right, big finish, big finish.
Gotta wash it, baby. Wash it, baby. Wash your hands. Wash your hands, come on, come on, come on, wash it, baby, wash it all out, wash it all out. All right, thank you so much.